This is a cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional geometric shape with parallel circular bases in a curved surface. It can be described with the following characteristics. The circular bases, which are parallel to one another, are also congruent. Second, this is our height. This is perpendicular to any of our bases. And since our base is a circle, we can also draw the relationship of the radius. It's a line segment connecting the center to the edge here. This video will talk us about the secret in the formula for the volume of the cylinder. Hence, or in short, we're just going to derive it using these relationships. The volume for any geometric solid is just simply the product of the base and height. Yes, as simple as it is, it's just a product of base and height. But since this is a geometric shape, or a 3D, three-dimensional shape, your base here is also a plane surface. So we need to look at the area for each of the base, multiply it to height. That's already the derivation for the volume of the cylinder. Considering this as our height h, our base is a circle. And what is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is pi r squared. Now, since the formula for the volume is just base times height, the formula for the volume of the cylinder is the area of the base, which is pi r squared, times height. That is why the volume for the formula of the cylinder, and this is the secret in the formula, is just pi r squared h.